morning class 3 students. I am here again with a new English session. Today is 15th of July and I hope you have seen and watched the video carefully which I sent yesterday on 14th of July. It was a session which was quite a mixture of two things. I have completed the poem A Was an Ant. We were supposed to do the word meaning up for this, and I expect everybody should have been taken the notebooks. Some bags are still lying there in the school, so please take it as soon as possible. Parents, please take back the bags, and just do the work we have done till now, like after summer break. So in last video we have concluded the poem. We have done the difficult words and the word meaning. There were not supposed to be any question answers with that poem. Now moving on further, in the last video I have given you a clip also for chapter number 3, that is the Kids Club. I have narrated the story to you, and you must be knowing what it is about. It's about 3 friends, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif, and one more character was there, Uncle Venu. I'll not summarize the story again because you will be getting bored if I tell the same story again and again. So before doing something on the notebook, I just like to, revise the things going around in this chapter, and I'll be discussing the basic exercises from the book, and then we'll move on to the notebook work. Okay, so I hope you all are ready on your study tables with your notebooks and books and the stationery items required, a water bottle and energy. Yes, that is what I require the most. Okay, so talking about the Kids Club, it is basically a story of 3 friends, I told you already. So they were not having a place to play and they found some strange games. They invented, or they just came up with some strange games, but they end up bothering each and everyone around the society. So, and at last they found a place to play, and that was the Kids Club. Now I told you to read the chapter. मैंने आपको बोला था चैप्टर पढ़ना है. So you must have come across various words which were new, which the meanings were not clear of the words, and the words which strike you immediately, which like you want to know the meaning of, that what is this word, mama, or I should ask the teacher. Okay, so I have taken out some words which I suppose that should be told to you, and maybe most of you have not been knowing the meaning of those words. Agar aapko pata hai, that's very good. Okay, so I'll be writing those keywords and I'll be telling the meanings on that basis one by one. Now moving on further, on page number 29 of your book, we are basically discussing the book work now. Take the correct answer. So first question is, Bharat Apartments had 7 floors, 12 floors or 4 floors? I want the answers from your side, because if you have read the chapter, how many floors were there in Bharat Apartments? कितने फ्लोर थे उस अपार्टमेंट में, उस बिल्डिंग में? आद्विक, I think you have given the right answer. अभी भी सोच रहे हैं. If you have not read the chapter, please read it after this class and then find out the answers. It had 12 floors. B option. Sanaya did not like the staircase because the stairs were, उसको staircase बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. क्यों? Difficult to climb, dark and dirty, narrow and steep. What is the answer? Sara, Naksh, so many people out there. आप में से सबको आंसर पता होना चाहिए. Yes, Sanaya didn't like the staircase because it was dark and dirty. बहुत अंधेरा होता है वहाँ पर और बहुत सफाई भी नहीं होती है. Who began the game of ringing doorbells? किसने शुरुआत की? कौन था वो शैतान बच्चा जिसके दिमाग में गेम आई कि चलो ये वाली गेम खेलते हैं, कोई और जगह तो नहीं है खेलने के लिए, so let us play this. Who began the game of ringing doorbells and running away? Look, there are 3 characters basically. 3 children are there. Gautam, Sanaya, Saif. तो इनमें से आपको बता रहा है किसने स्टार्ट किया था गेम. Parth, Sachin, Nikisha. Yes, that is right. Gautam started this game. Uncle Venu scolded the children because, उन्होंने बच्चों को क्यों डांटा? Scolded means to, किसी को डांटना, किसी गलत बात पे टोकना. Because it was rude to disturb people. He was a doctor. The bell rang loudly. And yes, the correct option is A, because it was rude to disturb others. किसी को परेशान करना, unnecessarily किसी का time waste करना is a very rude action. The story is about a dangerous staircase, 3 children who have no place to play, a building called Bharat Apartments. किसके बारे में स्टोरी है? स्टेयरकेस के बारे में या 3 बच्चों के बारे में जिनके पास खेलने की जगह नहीं है, या फिर भारत अपार्टमेंट्स के बारे में? Yes, the correct option is B. They have no place to play. It's about 3 children, those who don't have a place to play. At the end of the story, the children find a place to play. क्या उनको कोई जगह मिल गई थी? Do not have a place to play. अभी भी कोई जगह नहीं थी. Do not want to play at all. वो खेलना ही नहीं चाहते थे. Yes, the correct answer is A. Find a place to play, and that was in Uncle Venu's apartment. He had a spare room which he renovated as a kids club. Now, the B exercise is supposed to be the question answer. Sorry, question answers, and I'll be doing it. I will be discussing it at the last, and I'm not going to write the answers on the board because it takes a lot of time और आपको visibility भी कम रहता है. I'll be sending the PDF. Keywords and word meaning I'll be writing here because these are one word or phrases वो आपको आराम से लिखने हैं. But question answers I'll be giving you the PDF after the session, so you can note it down patiently. Okay, so C exercise says, as you can notice in page number 30 of your book, who said these words to whom? ये words किसने किसको कहे? हिंदी में होता है ना किसने किसको कहा. It is exactly the same. First one is everybody should ring a bell and run. किसने कहा था कि बेल बजानी है सबको और भाग जाना है? Yes, because Gautam started this game, so he instructed Saif and Sanaya कि जल्दी से बेल बजानी है और हमें भाग जाना है. So your answer is Gautam said this to Sanaya and Saif. And whenever you're writing their names, please keep their initial letters capital because ये particular names हैं, proper nouns हैं. Oh, Gautam's fallen and hurt himself. Oh, देखो गौतम गिर गया और चोट लग गई है. It was said by Sanaya to Saif, क्योंकि गौतम तो गिर गया था, तो सनाया ने सैफ को रोका और कहा रुको गौतम गिर गया है, उसको चोट लगी है. Tell me why have you been troubling everyone? मुझे बताओ कि तुम सबको परेशान क्यों कर रहे हो? It was asked by Uncle Venu to the children. तीनों से पूछा गया था. Next one is we are so sorry uncle. Who will be saying it? Of course, the 3 children, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif said sorry to Uncle Venu. So this was basically the exercise idea, and now let us discuss the question answers. कि क्या है question answers में और हमें कैसे करना है. One more thing, I have come across a word again and again that is troubling, troubled, bothered. ये सब meaning, ये सब word synonyms हैं. It basically means to disturb somebody. किसी को भी disturb करना, परेशान करना, किसी unnecessary चीज़ों से उनको irritate करना, that is troubling, bothering, disturbing. So these all are synonyms. Okay. Question number 1 says, where did Gautam, Sanaya and Saif live? They lived in Bharat apartments. Why did the children play on the staircase? उन्हें staircase पे क्यों खेलना पड़ा? Because they didn't have any other place to play. क्योंकि उनके पास पूरे apartment में कोई जगह ही नहीं थी खेलने के लिए. Tell me why have you been troubling? Sorry. I have repeated C exercise. Third one is what happened to Gautam while the kids were playing? गौतम को क्या हुआ था खेलते खेलते? Something happened to him? Yes. Gautam fell at the staircase and he hurted himself. उसने मतलब वो गिर गया था भागते भागते, उसके नी पे चोट लग गई थी. What was Uncle Venu's idea? इसके बाद Uncle Venu ने क्या आइडिया दिया था? Uncle Venu's idea was to create a kids club at his apartment. अपने ही घर में वो एक kids club खोलना चाहते थे जिसमें वो बच्चे आकर थोड़ा टाइम खेल सके, so that they can be their mind can be diverted from these silly games, ताकि वो ऐसी silly games ना खेलें जिससे सब परेशान भी हो जाते हैं. Okay, so these are supposed to be the answers and I'll be giving you the PDF of this. Now moving on further, I'll be writing some keywords and word meaning which I found should be told to you. So I'll be writing first the keywords for lesson number, this is lesson number 3, the kids club. I told you to start each and every session work, class work or homework with proper details. Write the date and you can avoid this class 3 because you are in class 3. So heading lesson number 3, keywords. First word is apartments. Apartments are basically kind of houses in big and cities which have lack of space out there. जहाँ पे जगह कम होती है बड़ी बड़ी शहरों में, they have apartments. इतनी ही space में they create floors. Floors में भी they have so many flats and on one floor. तो ऐसे घरों को apartment कहते हैं. It's like just like a box, डब्बे में रहना. It doesn't have much of space actually. Second one is staircase. Staircase is basically collective noun हमने जैसे किया था. It's a like flight of stairs and flight of stairs. Basically I just wanted to staircase में क्या है, like you when you if you have ever seen apartments, so they have portion of the apartment is reserved for staircases only, and they just keep going on upstairs, one floor to another floor and to another floor. Lift area is a side, and then there is a staircase which is a flight of stairs. Okay, then upstairs, obviously when we choose a staircase, so we can be upstairs and downstairs. ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं stairs से और नीचे भी, obviously that is two-way use of the stairs. And troubling I told you, to bother someone, to disturb someone, troubling. Fifth one is naughty. Naughty आपको पता होगा, naughty means शरारती. Who was very naughty in this group? Yes, whose idea was this to play this game? That was Gautam. Then disturb, troubling, bothering, all are synonyms. Like you can use one another on like for each. आप एक की जगह दूसरा भी use कर सकते हैं. And seventh is apologize. Apologize means to say sorry to someone. किसी को sorry कहना, sorry feel करना, माफी मांगना, that is to apologize. And the last one is bothered. Bothered जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, I am putting a star. Bothered, troubling, and disturbing can be there. So these three words are synonyms. इनका मतलब एक ही चीज है, किसी को परेशान करना. Okay. So in this chapter we have only two word meaning. Book में तो एक ही है, but I have chosen one more. So I am writing it on the right hand side here. Word meaning. Okay. First one is bothered. You have to write the word bothered, and whenever you are writing these kind of words, keywords, word meaning, keep the initial letter small. Do not start with a capital letter. ठीक है? Instead, if it is a proper noun. Bothered का मतलब है troubled. I'll be giving one more option: troubled or disturbed. Okay, disturbed. Second one I have chosen for you is to apologize. Apologize. Okay, so apologize means to say sorry. Like I'm sorry की जगह you can also say I apologize. I really apologize for this. Apologize is the other name for sorry. If you are sorry for something, you can also say I apologize, ma'am, for my action. So these are the two words, bothered and apologize. Bothered, troubled or disturbed, दोनों में से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. You can use these three words in like one another place. And apologize means to say sorry. So these are the keywords and word meaning of chapter number 3, and I will be sending the PDF right after the session, and you have to complete this chapter number 3 in your literature notebook with proper detailing, and make sure you should write in a good handwriting. Most of you have maintained the notebooks very well, and those who got a note, it was not to discourage you, it was just to, I have written there, next time I should see better handwriting, because you can improve. Obviously there is scope of improvement. So this is the end of the session from my side. Bye bye.